Hank Green Hodgkin's lymphoma diagnosis and your ERISA disability insurance claim. Did you hear the news that YouTube star Hank Green has been diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma? Now, Hodgkin's is a rare form of blood cancer that affects the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is crucial to your body, and the good news is that at least 75 to 85% of the lymphoma is responsive to chemotherapy, and it can remain into remission for up to 5 years later. Now, it's important that you, if you're going to file an ERISA disability claim, document your symptoms, and that can be asymmetric lymph nodes, swelling in the neck, armpit, or groin, pain in the lymph nodes, fevers, and night sweats. Now, one of the most important symptoms is fatigue, and these symptoms obviously can individually and collectively make it difficult, if not impossible, for you to perform the material and substantial duties of your occupation, resulting in you having to file a claim. I think it's important that you're documenting these symptoms in your medical records, and you also need to make sure that your diagnosis is objectively based, because the disability carrier is going to want to understand the diagnosis, your symptoms, and how those symptoms impact your ability to work. Now, at some point in time, you may be able to go back to work, and your benefits might be continue to be paid because you have a loss in your earning capacity. But I will tell you that there are 15 to 25% of people who are going to continue to suffer symptoms, and they may have an ongoing claim. ERISA disability carriers don't always make it easy for those who have Hodgkin's lymphoma to continue to get their benefits, particularly since you might have some improvement, and they may seize on that improvement and say, look, we think that you're able to go back to your own occupation or any other occupation. It's really crucial in any instance that your medical records are documenting those ongoing symptoms, how those symptoms impact your function not only at home, but at the workplace, the current status of your Hodgkin's lymphoma, the treatment that you've received, and the response that you have to the treatment that you have been getting. And of course, any side effects regarding the treatment that you're getting. Now, what should you do if your claim has been denied or terminated? If your claim has been denied, you're only going to have 180 days in which to file an appeal. Same way with termination. And the appeal is the trial of your case. You need to understand that you have the obligation to submit a winning appeal. And you want to have the assistance of an experienced ERISA disability attorney who's got your interests at heart, and it will take that burden off of you. Why do I know that? My dad had leukemia, and I watched him deal with the claims process while he was trying to get treatment and improve. Ultimately, he got his disability benefits, but it took a toll on him. I know it can take a toll on you, particularly in view of your fatigue. So call me today at 727-894-3188. I can help you with your Hodgkin's lymphoma ERISA disability claim, regardless of where you live in the United States and regardless of who your disability carrier might be. 727-894-3188.